Eurowall's thermally broken folding doors boast the industry's largest panel sizes and can enclose virtually any size opening. Panels can be built up to 14 feet tall, with widths up to 52 inches wide. These accordion-style folding doors create maximum throughput for foot traffic and truly eliminate the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Customizable configurations are a key feature of this product line. Any opening can be designed to meet the goals of the end user, from single stack locations, split configurations, or design plans that call for daily egress doors, all achievable with Eurowall's folding doors. Customizable configurations do not end there. Postless corner doors, radius units, split height configurations, bar top applications are all also unique options available. When it comes to quality and security, Eurowall products are superior by design. Our 5-point locking handle, accompanied by our impact glass options, ensure your home or property is safe and secure. Our 10-year warranty is backed by state-of-the-art engineering, utilizing stainless steel hardware and precision sealed components to withstand the harshest environments. All standard color extrusions utilize an AMA 2605 Kynar coating, the industry's best available coating finish to prevent against fading and chalking. Additional to our standard color options, custom color matches and faux wood grain finish options are available. Further customization for your project can be achieved with our ready-to-finish interior natural wood-clad veneer, custom SDL lights, and fully embedded sills to create a smooth and level interior to exterior transition. Eurowall's thermally broken folding doors are strong, secure, and highly customizable, and will bring beautiful functional value to any project. To learn more about Eurowall's highly customizable thermally broken rated folding doors, visit our website at euro-wall.com.